Further techniques for working with pivot tables. After you have created your pivot table, there are several ways in which you can summarize the data. To change how values are summarized, click the Calculations icon from the Options tab and select Summarize Values By. This displays a range of common functions that may be used for summarizing data. I will choose the Count option and click OK. This now shows how many sales have been made rather than the value itself. There are many other options that can be used to display values in your pivot tables and in various ways. To see these options, click the Calculations icon from the Options tab and choose Show Values As. From here you can show the percentage of a range of totals, the difference based upon different fields, and create running totals. To create a calculated field, you must select the third option, Fields, Items and Sets, and then click onto Calculated Field. Enter the calculation. I will enter a calculation to determine the bonus paid to sales personnel. Click OK to add the calculation to the pivot table. To format the values, click the value you wish to format in the task pane and choose the Value Field Settings option. Click the Number Format button, select your options and click OK to apply the selected format to the data. If you need to group within your pivot table, then firstly add the field you wish to group by, for example the date of sale. Click onto that field and choose the Group Selection option. Then choose the Group By option, for example months, and click OK to apply the grouping. You can then modify by using the sort buttons from the Options tab. To control subtotals and grand totals at field level, then click the field you wish to work with from the task pane and choose Field Settings to select the subtotal options for the field. You can also select the Layout and Print tab to see further layout type options. Click OK to apply your selection. You may also use the Layout group and the Design tab for additional report layout options. Finally, if you need further options for setting up your pivot table, then click the Options button from the pivot table group. Use the tabs in the window to display the various options that are available. That concludes this section. Please click onto the Exit button and move on to the next section.